from Eastman Shandong Machinery, and today I will introduce for you our 22 horsepower lawn mower. You can see the color is all black, is very cool, and you also change yellow, orange, red, and so on. Okay, and this moving width is 900 millimeter, and the track width is wider than our BSM 21 Pro. This track width is 150 millimeter, and the working slope is less than 40 degrees, and the max remote control distance is 1,000 is less than 1,000 meter, and it uses remote control for controller. And next, I will introduce for you the gasoline engine. It's a Chinese famous brand. Longxin engine is about 678 cc, about 22 horsepower. It is a double cylinder and 4 stalk. And this is our bigger fuel tank. Is about 10 liter. In particular, this type of lawn mower use the brushless travel motor and 2 brushless travel motor into air, and more durable. This is integral frame and very durable. The structure is very durable.